Hey, hey, lot of sixes in here tonight. Yeah, yeah. Hey.
10 niggas we moving, that's one. Yeah. Welcome to my new home. I know y'all heard the echo in my voice, but yeah, I have moved. I mentioned in a video before that I would probably be moving. I made it happen. I believe there is power in the tongue. What you put out in the universe is what you're going to receive. Put your burdens onto the Lord. He will take care of them. I'm a firm believer on that. Like, it didn't come easy. So for my older subscribers who've been around, y'all know that I've been away for a minute. I hate trying to get in front of the camera faking, you know? Or like I'm just going through the motions. I want to, you know, genuinely be in front of the camera and put off good vibes so y'all can catch those good vibes and watch my videos. So I'm back. My goal is to do 2 videos a week. I'm speaking it. Like I said, it's power in the tongue. I'm doing 2 videos a week. And I've actually been filming, but I'm a Virgo and I'm a perfectionist. Like, whatever I produce, I want it to be right. Quit talking. I know y'all didn't want to be on here to hear that, so let's get on into the tour. So when you first walk in, you'll see a walkway. I'm just going off of memory right now of my apartment. I've been here maybe about, it's been officially a week this past Thursday. So in the walkway, at first I planned on putting this part of Marksman sign that you see on the floor on the wall, but I may put that into my beauty area, which I'm going to explain that later. But I have like marble floors throughout the whole apartment. What else? I got crown molding. The paint is like a tan, I guess, and the crown molding is white. So let's go ahead and move on into the kitchen. This room is probably my favorite room, only because I just love cooking. Lately I haven't been cooking that much just because I haven't been to the grocery store. Y'all know how it is when you first moving in. Like, you be eating out a lot and all this stuff. So this is where like I am right now, even though I've been here a week. But I do plan to go to the grocery store sometime in a week. So I might be eating out and all that. So the kitchen has like a grayish tone, granite countertops with like, you can see like a few little sparkles in it, which I thought was a nice touch. But yeah, and the appliances are all black. Of course I wanted a stainless steel, but I mean, I'm okay with the black as long as it wasn't like that ugly white that I had before. Y'all remember in my DIY waxing video, like that white oven? Like, I hate, like, it's functional. Well, it was functional, but it just wasn't appeasing to look at. So I hated looking at it. But anyway, I have black now, and I like that it's smooth on the top, the stove top. Is that what it's called? Or is it the oven? I think it's stove top. Anyway, but I like how it's smooth, so it won't like, so food won't go down into the little holes. I hated when that happened in my old place or whatever. Moving on to where I am now, my living room. Of course, right now I don't have any furniture, but my plan is to, I'm getting delivered a love seat and a bed and a chest on Tuesday. That's probably when I upload the video. I don't know. We'll see what my schedule looking like, but I plan on putting the love seat like right here. I'll kind of like do a little pan, but and on the sides I may do like 2 little side tables or something like that, and put some lamps. And then I'm trying to decide if I want to do a coffee table or an ottoman in the middle. It'll be like a different type of ottoman, maybe like a shaggy fur ottoman, or yeah. And the reason why I chose the love seat is because it's only me here, and I don't think I have companies when like clients coming or something, and I'm not far from my friends, but it won't be a lot of people here every day, so I'm okay with the love seat. And I got a good deal on it, and it's really good quality. That's another reason why I got it. And along with that, I'm gonna get 2 chairs, so if I do have more company, they can sit there. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the kitchen. I have a bar area, and that's where I'm gonna put stools. So that's another 2 seats. So you got the love seat, which holds 2 people. That's 2, and then my 2 seats that I'm putting beside it. That's 4, and then another 2 bar stools by the bar. So that's 6, and that's gonna be my eating area. Like, I really don't even eat at a table on a normal day. Even at like in my parents' house, I never eat at the table. We all just eat on the couch or whatever. So if I want to eat somewhere like this on a flat surface, it's not my lap, I'll just eat on the bar stool, whatever. Like usually I'll probably eat breakfast or something at the table. Yeah, I barely eat breakfast. So in the place of me having a dining room area, whatever, I'm making that my beauty/office area. I know y'all like, what? Like, who does it? You'll be surprised a lot of people, they do that just because, like, I don't have a family, so what's the point of me spending hundreds of dollars on this big table? Well, not really, not even a big table, but a table in general for me to be on person sitting at it, you know? And, yeah, so what I'm gonna do is put on the wall near the kitchen, that's gonna be my desk area for me to like edit videos, come up with content or whatever, like my place to work. And then the other side, like the wall that'll be sharing, the couch wall, will be my beauty area where I will do my clients and stuff. Once I start to get furniture, y'all see, you know, what I'm talking about. Yeah, over here behind me, like I said, I'm on the couch, 2 seats, area rug, y'all, rugs. Like when I've been looking at all these, you know, costs, I'm like, bro, I need like extra $2,000, $3,000 to furnish everything like I'm envisioning it. But I know it's gonna happen. If I put my mind to it, I can make it happen. Anyway, so the TV will be right here on the TV stand. So let's go ahead and move on to the bedroom. It's probably my biggest bedroom I've ever had to myself. Well, actually, it is the biggest bedroom I've ever had to myself. Again, it's like a walkway, like hallway, like the main hallway. And on the left is the restroom, and on the right is the closet. Well, if y'all, on y'all end, it may be the right, the restroom, and left the closet. But anyway, yeah, so the bedroom, I'm not sure how much square footage it is, but the entire apartment maybe, I think it's like 850 square feet, which is pretty good for the amount of rent I'm paying. And the neighborhood I'm in, like I'm exactly where I wanted to be. But anyway, so my vision for the bedroom is to put the wall, I'm not sure what the thing is called. I don't think it's called a vaulted ceiling, but y'all can see like how it's kind of, not a built-in, I don't know, that little ledge or whatever at the top of the wall. I'm putting the bed right there. I'm going to do an accent wall. I'm not painting. I'm doing removable wallpaper. It's basically like you putting the sticker on the wall and you're taking it off, like kind of how I did my desk at my old apartment. It's just sticker, but yeah, it won't damage the wall or anything, so I don't have to worry about painting. At first I did want to paint, but I really don't feel like dealing with that headache. So my vision is to put the removable wallpaper in the bed, 2 nightstands, and y'all know how like people have those 2 mirrors and then like the lamps or whatever. So when I do that on the sides, depending on how busy it is on that wall, I may or may not do like a canvas or something above the bed. We'll just see like how it looks when everything starts to come together. And then on the opposite wall, I really don't know how I want to do this because I ordered a chest. And I know there's a difference between a chest and a dresser. The dresser is like the flat, fatter, you know, thing you put your clothes in. And the chest is the taller one where it's, you know, smaller drawers. And I got a good deal on it. That's why I got it. And I don't really fold a lot of my clothes. Most of my clothes I hang up. So that's the reason why I got a chest. And it's kind of awkward, you know, like with the dresser you usually put your TV on it, you know, and you're done. So in my case, I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put my TV at, because right now I'm just sitting on my trunk that I got from my trunk party years ago. So I'm thinking in my head to get like a built-in shelf and put it on put the TV on that, and then I tether my computer to my TV to watch YouTube videos and stuff. I don't have cable. I don't really watch cable that much. I've realized I usually watch YouTube videos all day, so I don't plan on buying cable. So I'm just gonna tether my laptop to my TV, so I can't mount it because my laptop gonna be all on the floor and the cord not gonna reach. So I was like, well, I'm gonna need something to make it balanced. So I make it like a built-in shelf and then put the laptop and then the TV next to each other and just tether it. And so I'm gonna get a mirror The big mirror, I don't know if I showed y'all this mirror, but the mirror behind me, I'm thinking about selling it and getting a bigger one. And I'm also, I think I told y'all I'm selling my beauty mirror and getting a bigger one as well. So my walls here are pretty, my ceilings are pretty high here compared to my other place. I'm not sure how high they are, but I need taller mirrors and I wanted it anyway. That's why I wanted to sell them. And so I want to do a floor mirror in my bedroom and then a floor mirror in my living room. And the floor mirror in the bedroom is going to be in the corner. And so just imagine like floor mirror in the corner, TV on the shelf, and then the chest like on the opposite wall. I just have to, I'm about to show y'all for y'all to understand. And I'm thinking about making my trunk that I got from my trunk party into what's it called? A bench, yeah. So I'm gonna get it like upholstered and stuff and put fur on it. I got a vision in mind. So just know the videos are coming and creativity is coming out. But anyway, moving on, let's go into the closet, I guess. We can go there first. So the closet is pretty big. It's bigger than I thought. I have two places for me to hang clothes, and I think you're supposed to put shoes at the top of the shelves, but I'm putting my wigs and like miscellaneous stuff on one side, and then the other side I'm putting my well actually I flipped it. On one side I'm putting my purses. Y'all know I got a lot of purses. Then the other side I'm putting my wigs and like other miscellaneous stuff at the top, and then I already have a shoe rack where I put my shoes at, and I'm thinking about getting the same shoe rack and just stacking it because I got a lot of shoes. Like the shoes y'all see aren't all my shoes. Most of my shoes are in tubs, like winter shoes or other summer shoes that I don't really wear that much. So the shoes I have out right now are like my grab and go shoes that I wear on a regular basis. So that's the closet, and the bedroom is the only place where it has carpet at, and so the bathroom has the wooden floors as well. So let's move on to there. The bathroom it's pretty standard, I guess. It's not like huge, but it's not small. It's fine for me. I love how it has the what's it called? Cabinet. It's a linen closet. Yeah, I got a linen closet, and I was able to store so much compared to my old place. Like I was having to stuff in that little itty bitty medicine cabinet that I had. I don't just call it medicine cabinet. Anyway, I had to stuff like a whole in my old place. So I'm happy that I got this place where I'm able to store like my linens, my towels, my like skincare products, you know, the whole 9 yards. And then I also got stuff. I got a shelf. It's not shelves. What's it called underneath the sink? Y'all know what I'm talking about. But I can put stuff down there as well, like cleaning supplies, tissue, whatever. So there's another big plus. But yeah, this is basically my apartment, you guys. Yeah, I forgot about my patio area. So I tried to like do a little pan of this, but as soon as I opened the door, I noticed my neighbors and I had no pans on, so I just had to cut that short. So yeah, sorry about that, but I do like the patio area. There are like 2 awesomeness out there that I'm gonna tell them to get down, and cause I like being outside and relaxing and stuff. So I'll probably get like some chairs or something to go out there, you know, when I want to just chill, edit videos or something like that. I like to make use of my space, what I'm paying for, so they gotta get on it. If y'all want to see the apartment hunting vlog, let me know. I didn't post that just cause it was a lot of stuff going on with that video. Like when I went to go look for places, like everybody was like booked up, or I couldn't see the model, or it was just so much. And this apartment isn't in that vlog just because that was one of the places where I couldn't see the model, but this was literally the only one bedroom they had available. And I was like, I need it. I need it now. I signed this the next day because they had to be over the administration fee was like waived or something like that. So if y'all want to see that video, give this video a thumbs up. I was only able to record a little bit on my phone, so the quality won't be as great. But if y'all want to see it, I'll show y'all. But I'm also gonna vlog, like, and keep y'all intrigued throughout this process of me you know, being an adult and evolving my new place. I like to get stuff done fast. I like to feel at home. When I come home right now, I'm just like going to my bedroom or going to the kitchen and that's it. Because I can't really sit in my living area, but I'm rambling now. So give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
I'm the only lady here, still the realest nigga in the room. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2.